to another video. So we have been sent a very special package in the post and we're super excited to share with you this one. So we have been sent the T5 Cuppy. So let's take a look. We'll do a little bit of unboxing. So here we have it. So they've sent us, so you get this little T5 Cuppy, bit of information with their social media handles and also the installation instructions on the back here too. So I have actually already had a little look at this and I've had a look on how to install it and it looks super easy, which is why I am sat here as Brandon. So let's take a look. So here we go. This is the T5 Cuppy and I'm so impressed. So this basically is a drinks holder that replaces this existing little tray that comes as standard. So in the T5 transporters, you have the drinks holder that it comes with. They're in an awkward place, to be honest, and they constantly snap off. Ours actually has snapped off and we've not really used it because it's just too awkward to get to. So when we converted our camper, we built this little, actually I didn't at all, but when I say we, it's us. So we built this little wood drinks holder, which has actually done us, but it's not been the best. So it's been built, it's got two holes here, and it's kind of sanded down so it fits on here. And then it's got a little clip on for parking tickets at the front, so it sits in there like that, which is, it's fine, it has served us, but it has come with many issues. So it doesn't really accommodate for all the different drink sizes. So you come in, you have a can of pop, you have a Red Bull, coffee cup, they're all different sizes. So whatever you put in there, it just rattles around, it spills over. You can't put bottles in here up to a certain height because it taps on the window because they don't sit in. So it's not the best and it looks so big and clumpy. So that's why we're super excited to install the T5 Cuppy. So let's have a look. Let's take that off there. So yeah, this is the T5 Cuppy. This is going to be replacing our little DIY job here. And all this does is sits in here like this. So it replaces this tray. And as you can see, it's so much sleeker as well. So before I actually get to installing it, I just want to talk through it a little bit. So I can't actually believe the quality of this thing. It's so strong and sturdy and feels such good quality. And also, I just want to note that it's all made in the UK, which is brilliant. And basically, it comes with these adjustable little like foam inserts that you can take out to accommodate the drink that you've got. So if you've got a Red Bull, then you can put the smallest one in there, or if you've got a larger coffee cup, then you can just take them out and it fits perfectly. So let's get to installing this. So let's get to installing this T5 Cuppy. So I'm just going to get a trim tool out of here. So I'm going to use this one today. Just put that down there. So all you have to do for this is take the existing tray out that it comes with, and then the T5 Cuppy just slots in its place. So it's normally Brandon that does the trim, taking the trim out, but let's give it a go. So I'm just gonna take this one out. Okay, that come out actually pretty easy. So I'm going to take that piece out. That's ancient history now. I'm then going to get the beautiful T5 Cuppy and slot just in its place. Oh my god, that's slotted in so easy. That's it. Genius. So now this obviously looks so much tidier. It took nothing for me to put that in there, and I'm not normally the person doing all this. That is in there so sturdy now, and it looks so much sleeker than our old little drinks thing and the tray. And now we've got this perfect cup holders to accommodate all different drink sizes, a little tray in the middle. That's perfect. Easy as done, that. Brandon, come have a look at this. Check out the T5 Cuppy.
Oh my god.
How sick is that? I've just literally unclipped it and that just slotted straight in.
That's brilliant, that, isn't it?
Isn't it? Like, how much sleek and tidier and practical that is.
It's a bit of a difference from my old clump of wood.
Just a little bit. I can't believe that.
That is insane.
It fits. It was so easy to slot in. Perfect, that.
That's impressive, that.
Yeah. Do you want to run and grab the new little coffee cups?
Yep. Yeah,
And then we can test the little fit. So yeah, I can't quite believe how easy that was to fit. You're always a little bit worried about taking trim out. Well, I am always worried about taking trim out and putting new bits in case, you know, bits snap. But the quality of that is incredible. So yeah, let's give a little coffee cup a try.
These have still got tags on.
Cheers. So these are our new little coffee cups from Yeti. I'm just going to give them a try. So as you can see, that doesn't fit in there. So I think, yeah, that one's probably be good for like Red Bulls or something. So I'm just going to take one of the inserts out, and the other one. These are just, oh yeah, here we go. So I'm just going to put them to the side. We'll probably keep these in the glove box because, you know, you're often having different drinks and things like that. So there we go. So these are our little coffee cups. Let's see how they fit. Perfect. Look at that. That is great, isn't it? And they fit so perfect in there. So if we'd had them in the old one, they would be, if I just show you.
How's that? Because that didn't fit.
Rocking about all over the place.
That didn't fit in the old one because it hit on the window screen.
Yeah, so we've got a bottle of water here. Again, you know, we didn't really have anywhere to put it before. Take that out. Actually, pop it in that one so you can see. Slips right in. Beautiful. Yeah, well impressed with those. That's actually incredible. There's no messing about, no rocking about. I can't believe how great that sits in there like that. Can you?
No, it's an impressive bit of kit, that.
So yeah, we are now all installed. It took a matter of moments to get that fitted. Super impressed, super happy and super excited because in the next few weeks we are actually heading over to France on an epic snowboarding trip. So this is going to come in handy to hold our coffees nicely and securely. But yeah, be sure to keep tuned for that adventure, and we definitely recommend go getting the T5 Cuppy. We will pop a link in the description to their website so you can go check them out. But yeah, thanks for watching, and have a good one.